I'm gonna have to make a bolt for it.
You gotta pause it or something.
Gotta wait for this thing to start going.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna pause the video while we wait for it to start going, and then I'm gonna make a bolt for it to show y'all. Okay, guys, it's about to start going. Somewhere running. Here's the bad clouds that we're experiencing right now. I'm gonna have to make a bolt for it. Let's do it.
Remember you ran before out there on the road and fell?
Yes.
No.
Guys, look at this. Look at this sanity. You have to make a bolt for it. I feel like that little wind vane spinning right there. There's that little wind vane spinning. I'm gonna have to make a bolt for it, guys. By the way, the reason that you're looking at the road is because we're making a bolt for it. Here you can look at forest scenery. Alright, let's get in here. You gotta get in here real quick. Oh my god. This is where we live, by the way. Anyways.
So you got your video on and running like that. That messes your video up. Pause it. Pause it or something. No. Remember to look at the video.
Where you go?
You're running around and all that. And the video will be good.
Holy crap, guys. Holy crap. Guys, that was a very intense run. As always, peace.